Under instead of trying.
It's a win-win.
Curl up its tentacles and turn red, maybe. Like that could be like fear, or with a crowd.
Oh, wow.
So, you know, way down the road, you can imagine it reacting to the tempo of music some way. But
You can pick the color of a line that you're drawing, and you can move the controller around to adjust to the shape that you're drawing, and it's kind of a fun game. And then, when you go to save your drawing, your design that you've created is actually covered up with a watermark that imprints on top of your drawing how long you were playing the game and some estimation of all of the bytes that were transferred wirelessly while you were playing that game. The idea is that even mindless things that we do online have a physical toll, and once again it's related to the physical infrastructure and finite resources that power the cloud, and it's just kind of drawing attention to that.
So these are smart dorm room light switches, and they're the solution to my issue that I was in bed a lot of times and my lights were on and I didn't want to get out of bed to turn them off. So I have it where I can control them remotely from my phone.